Alright, so Grill Like a Pro, we're going to be cleaning my Pit Boss grill grates with this. So this thing comes with several different things. It comes with carrying toolbox, user manual, water tank, and 2 brushes. So let's go ahead and give this thing a try. Let's open it up. Pretty neat. Comes with this little case. I really do like this. Okay, got the water bottles, 2 different brushes. Check this bad boy out. Oh wow, this thing's legit, dude. Let's see. All right, got the brush on here. It's got different speeds, low speed and high speed. All right, we have this brush as well, so we'll try different ones. And this is to charge it. You can just charge it right in here. But yeah, kind of digging it. Let's go give it a try. There's a lot of dirt. Oh yeah. Things working pretty great. Put this bad boy in here. Grates look pretty good.